Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue. While launching a GTA 5, you got an error, failed to connect to Rockstar Games library service. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. So first of all, head over to your browser and I recommend to use a VPN. Again, I'm telling you, it's a bug, and for a VPN, I recommend to go with Proton VPN as it is completely free to use. Download it into your system, connect and try to launch the game. And if you're already using a VPN, turn off the VPN because it is a bug, and for some users it works with a VPN and for others it works without a VPN. So make sure you switch to a VPN or not. Nextly is you need to right click or start menu, choose option run, type here ncpa.cpl and then hit the enter key. Now here whichever your Wi-Fi is, you need to right click on it and go to its properties. Now choose the option TCP/IP v4 and go to its properties. Now in this method we are going to use the Google DNS. So select the second option, use the following DNS server address. Type in 8.8.8.8 and in alternate 8.8.4.4. Once you have done so, hit the OK button. And one more thing friends, if you are already using Google VPN or 1.1.1.1 VPN, you need to disable it by checking the very first option. That is why I am again telling you that it is a bug, so you need to do a hit and trial method by using default DNS or by using Google DNS, whichever method works out for you. You only need to switch from Google to default, or if you are already on default, you need to switch to Google. After doing these changes, try to launch the game. If this failed to work out, in next step, you need to open the directory of the Rockstar games, which is available in C drive, program files, Rockstar games, launcher, redistributable, social club, and here is setup. Double click to launch it. Select the language, hit the next button to proceed, accept the terms and conditions, and once it is installed, right click or start menu, choose the option run, type as services.msc and then hit the enter key. Now in services menu, you need to press R key to find Rockstar Games library service. Double click to open it. If the status is stopped, click on the start option to start the service at once. Once it is started, startup type, choose it automatic, hit apply and OK button. Now after doing so, relaunch your game to fix out the issue. Now if this method also failed to work out, in next step I recommend to do a hard reset of your router as well as your PC or laptop. For router, turn off your router, unplug all the electricity attached to your router. Then press and hold the power key of your router for 30 seconds. After doing so, connect with the electricity. After hard resetting your router, hard reset your laptop or computer. If you have a computer, turn it off, unplug it from the electricity and do the same by pressing and holding the power key to completely remove the static charge from your CPU. In case of laptop, remove the battery and then press and hold the power key to remove the static electricity from your laptop. After doing these steps, restart your laptop or computer, connect with your Wi-Fi and try to launch the game, and hopefully this time the issue will be fixed. And if none of these methods help you fix out the issue, in last method, right click on start menu, choose option run, type here regedit and then hit the enter key. Now in regedit, in the address bar, you need to paste a path. Here is the path. Copy this path from the description of this video and write in this address bar, press the Ctrl V to paste the path and hit the enter key. Now here in right pane, you will find a file with the name of image path. Double click to open it and right over here, you will find the directory of the Rockstar Game Services, and the directory is available right in the inverted commas as it is shown right over here. So again, here also you have to do a hit and trial method. If the path is already in inverted commas, you need to remove the path. Like I'll go ahead and remove the path. Hit the OK button. Although if the directory is not in the inverted commas, you need to add inverted commas in the last and in the first place. After doing so, hit the OK button. Now after doing these steps, relaunch your game and hopefully this time the issue of failed to connect to Rockstar Game Services will be completely fixed. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.